In this video, I'll show you how to save any email as a PDF file in just a few clicks. This works for Gmail, Outlook, and most email services. Let's get started. First, open the email you want to save. If you're using Gmail, look at the top right corner of the email and click on the printer icon. This will open the print window. Now, instead of selecting a printer, click on the destination option and choose Save as PDF. You can also press Ctrl+P on your keyboard as a shortcut to open the print menu. Next, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Click Save, and your email will be downloaded as a PDF. And that's it. You've successfully saved your email as a PDF. This is useful for keeping records, sharing important messages, or printing later. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.